However, today we're going to draw a Lego person.
That's right. We're going to be drawing our little Lego people. And we got two over here. Which one are we going to draw?
That one.
We're going to draw a Lego person on a skateboard.
Hello.
Because we really like playing with Lego, don't we?
Yeah.
So if you've got Lego at home as well, you can bring a little Lego person with
Double,
you.
triple.
What is that? Double, triple. Are you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Hope you guys are going to join with us. Okay, you ready? We're going to draw our Lego man's head, or Lego person's head.
The girl one.
So this, we start with a line that goes straight down. A little bit more to there. You want to draw your line a little bit more on the inside, so over here. Draw it over here. A little bit more.
Can I leave it there?
Yeah, you can leave it there. We start there, and we go straight down, and we draw to there. Can you draw that line? Try and make it as straight as you can. Very good. And we're going to draw a curve at the bottom.
Just done that.
And then we're going to draw a straight line that's the same length as that line. And we try to make it as straight as possible. So we go like this. And do that.
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping? And then we're going to draw a line that curves up from that corner. And then straight line up to the same height as this one. So you want to go to about here. Very good. And then you're going to draw another curve at the top. So it's kind of like a square with rounded edges. And then another one on this side. And then you're going to connect the two at the top. Very good. And then we're going to draw the top of his head. He's got that little part there.
Are we doing this one?
It doesn't matter, they're the same. And we've got two lines at the top. So one line over here and one line over there. Just a short line. And you want to make them the same length because we're going to join them at the top. And then you draw a straight line across, joining them together. There we go. Right, now we're going to draw a Lego man's face, or a Lego person's face. So they can have so many different faces, but we're just going to draw a simple one.
Eyelashes on.
You can draw eyelashes. I'm going to draw a round circle there. And I'm going to colour in that
The
eye.
whole thing?
Yeah, I'm going to colour in the whole eye. You can do the same, or you can leave little circles in your eyes too. So a circle there. You can make it a little bit bigger.
I'll leave it like that.
Okay, you can leave it like that.
I'm just going to do a little like that.
Good job. And then I'm going to do the right eye. Colour in my right eye.
Okay.
Nice. And then this nice big smiley face. You got a big smile on yours. I like it. Are you going to draw your little eyelashes? Very nice. Now we're going to draw the Lego person's neck. We're going to draw another little line that goes straight down, just a short one on each side.
The girl has that.
Yeah, see? It's got the same. We're going to draw that part of her neck.
Eyebrows.
Yeah, you can draw some eyebrows too. Great, nice job. We're going to draw a line that goes under here and over there, okay? Can you do that? Same as mine. Very good. Good. And now we're going to draw a straight line that's the same length, so from here across to there. Same length as the head. It's going to be a straight line.
Done it. I'm free.
Oops, mine's not perfectly straight, but that doesn't matter.
I'm free.
Oops, no, you just want to draw a straight line across the bottom. Straight line. Very good. Now we're going to draw the torso. And we're going to have two lines that come slightly out to there. So you're going to draw from there to about here. You want to draw a straight line. Very good. And then on the other side,
mine is going to be dress.
Same line. Draw from here to about there. Straight line. Good. That was a really good line. And then we're going to draw...
Building.
Yeah, it's the torso though, so we're going to draw the legs afterwards. Now you want a straight line from there, straight across. Yeah.
I'm going to do some waves, Daddy.
We're going to draw it straight because that's how the Lego is. Do you see that line there? That's the line we're going to draw. So draw a straight line across. Good job.
It's like a...
And then we're going to draw underneath. We're going to draw another 2 lines. So lots of straight lines in this one. Yes, very good. And then you want a straight line that's joining these 2. Good job. That was a really good one. Your straight lines are getting so good. Now we're going to draw the legs. And they're going to come all the way down. We're going to draw a straight line coming down to there. Straight line. A little bit more. Make it a little bit longer because we don't want super short legs. That's very good. That's perfect. And then straight down on the other side. Good job. And then we're going to draw one more line. And this goes across again. It's this part over here where these legs like to bend. So draw that across. Another straight line. Really good. I'm just going to make my legs a little bit longer.
Why?
I think my legs are a little bit too short. You can make yours longer too. That's good. We just need to make sure we leave some space for the skateboard. So next day,
I'm drawing that one.
we're going to draw 2 lines in that go down kind of near the middle. So we want to get that little bit. You see?
We're not using that one.
Yeah, so we'll draw 2 lines here. You can draw a line that goes from here to there and another one from there to there, straight down to there.
Belt?
Yeah.
Does she have a belt?
Yeah. It's not a belt, it's just the lines where the legs connect to the Lego.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm drawing my...
Very good. Now we're going to draw another 2 lines that go down. You just follow these lines all the way down. There. Perfect. Really good line there. Good job. And now we're going to draw a straight line under both of them.
I don't know what I want to think about.
Perfect. And then his little feet. Let's do the feet. 2 lines that go across the legs. There's the feet over there. See?
But
your Lego is looking super good. What are we missing? What are we missing?
The arms.
The arms.
You
Okay.
can't even walk. You can't even touch them.
Yeah, so this is how we do the arms. We're going to draw a line that goes out from the corner over here out to about there. And we just draw a straight line. And then the same on the other side. Very good. And now we're going to draw a line that comes up and then curves in where the shoulder is. So we're going to go up and curve in. Can you do that? Up and curve in. Very good.
Done.
And curve in. Very good. Now we got the hands. The hands are kind of tricky, a little bit tricky, but we're going to do them. With 2 little lines that comes out. That's his wrist. Very good. Other side too.
Done.
Really good. We're going to draw a circle now, but it's not a full circle. It's like a K for cat. Let's us see.
Upside down.
Yeah, it's kind of like falling over. So we're going to start here.
I'm falling
gonna
over
go-
where I have a bumper.
Like that. So a little bit bigger. You want to start over here, a little bit bigger. Start there and go all the way around, but not touching. Carry on going, carry on going. Very good.
And such done. It taken ages.
Oh no, you're much faster than me. And then we draw another C in the middle. So look at this.
Yeah. I know that. I can do that.
You can do that?
Hmm? Done.
Great job. Awesome work. Now we're going to draw a little skateboard. This
I'm
one.
not doing my skateboard.
You don't want to do the skateboard?
No.
Okay, you don't have to do the skateboard. I think I'm going to add a little skateboard. But you can also decorate your top. You can do different decorations. You can add a
I'm
bow.
gonna doing a bow.
You can do a bow over there.
I'm gonna do.
I think I will draw. I think I'll draw a shirt with a pocket.
You mean this one? You mean that one?
No, I'm gonna make my own one. And I'm gonna
That
do
looks the same as that one.
big buttons. Is it the same? That one's a little bit different.
But it has no buttons.
I'm gonna add some buttons. So I'm gonna draw my skateboard.
Stripe. 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 She has stripes.
You got a stripy shirt. Nice.
Yeah, because she has stripes.
Good job.
What?
I'm drawing my skateboard at the bottom because I like skateboarding. And I'm gonna draw my little circles.
I forgot the hoodie at the back.
My wheels.
That's the hoodie at the back. See? Hoodie at the back.
Good job. I'm almost done with my skateboard. And now we are ready to...
We have forgotten to color.
Yeah, we're gonna color in. So you guys use whatever colors you like. We're gonna fast forward through this, but if you really need to stop, you can pause it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow, look at these cute Lego people. You did so good, and you did your pictures just like your little Lego person. Great job. And I did mine like my skateboarder. How do you like them?
Lovely.
They're lovely. Great job, Summer. High five. You did so good at that one.
Oh, ice cream. Ice cream. High five.
High five. Good job, Summer. Hope you all enjoyed that one. See you next time. Bye.